Oh, little E2, look. This is the one was doing 572 mile an hour or something, wasn't it? It's made it here from Schiphol in about 10 minutes. It's got here quicker than I get here from my house. Oh, easy, 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 easy. Yeah, they're, oh, okay, yeah, fair enough. That means, Julie, that Chris Moyles must have us on his alerts. He must do. It's funny, man. So we've got a bit of easy. It looks a little bit more dramatic than it actually is, folks, only because that is the standard procedure, is to dip that left wing into the wind to make sure that you get that side down so that you basically get the aircraft on the ground.